Today we see the topic leadership in nursing. As you know, leaders are made, not born. Great leaders make a huge difference compared to good leaders. Institute of Medicine and the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation agree that without exceptional nursing care and leadership, readily available high quality care cannot be attained. Charge nurses have the central role in ensuring high quality, person centered, safe, and effective care. Importance of a leader: in most cases, people will perform at about 60% of their potential with no leadership at all. Thus, an additional 40% can be realized if effective leadership is available. Good leaders keep a close watch on their fellow workers' needs. Leadership: Sturgill defined leadership as the process of influencing the activities of an organized group in its efforts towards goal setting and goal achievement. Nursing leadership: it is a process whereby a nurse influences two or more persons to achieve specific goal in the provision of nursing care for one or more clients. Gardner believes that 90% of the leadership can be taught. When nurses graduate, they are not ready to assume leadership role. They require opportunities for self-discovery to understand their strengths for skill building. So in future, you get a lot of opportunities in order to discover yourself and to understand your strength in order to develop the skill. Formula for a successful nurse leader performance: skills are nurses need technical, behavioral, and conceptual skills. Variables are motivational abilities, role clarity. That will give a successful nurse manager. Need of nursing leadership: do you think that leadership is needed? Because it is needed because there is high expectation of patient, new technology, increased diversity in workplace, greater accountability for practice, a new spiritual focus on the mind and body connection, increase in physical facilities, and decrease in nursing personnel in the hospital, emerging social problems. What is a portrait of a leader? If anything goes bad, I did it. If anything goes semi-bad, then we did it. If anything goes really good, then you did it. Qualities of a nurse leader: she should be assertive. She should have good common sense, committed, skilled. So you can read up all this. She should be religious, spiritual person, loving, kind, educated, honest, etc. Characteristics of effective nurse leader: actively engage in planning the current and future work of the group, provide a direction to staff members the way the work is to be done, monitor the work done by the staff members to maintain quality and productivity, recognize the reward quality and productivity, part of the development of staff, represent both administration and leadership. Leadership style: you must have already learned these styles. One is autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, visionary, transformational leader, and transactional leaders. Impact of nursing leadership style: employee attrition. There can be employee attrition. The employees, according to the leadership that you do, according to that, sometimes the employees can go away from the way you lead them. There can be high turnover, moral influence, patient care, poor feedback, less productivity. These are the impacts. Leadership: he alone who wants the youth gains the future. Leadership.